Hello, and welcome to the Sam Houston State University Data Cookbook Overview and Demonstration, presented by the Office of Institutional Effectiveness. Data Cookbook is an online inventory of data definitions and Cognos reports and variables. Reports, such as Cognos reports within Data Cookbook, are called specifications. Data items or variables within those reports are called definitions. In this demonstration, I will show you how to access Data Cookbook. Then we will explore how to locate specifications and definitions, how to run reports from Data Cookbook, how to view definitions from external organizations like Texas Higher Education Coordinating Board and IPEDS, and how to request a new report from our department. To access Data Cookbook, go to shsu.datacookbook.com. If you already have an account, you will be automatically logged in because Data Cookbook uses single sign-on. If you do not have an account, fill out the Request Access form and our department will grant access. This is the home screen for Data Cookbook. We'll start off browsing for specifications. To see a list of specifications that are available, hover over the Specifications tab and then click Browse Specifications. This lists all official Cognos reports available to the SHSU community. It does not include reports that are private or available only to specific departments. When you use the Browse function, reports will be listed in alphabetical order. If you would like to see specifications owned by a particular department, filter by tag and choose the department. To search for a specific report, click in the search box. If I want to find a report containing the word admissions, I will type admissions and search. The results will list reports with admissions in the title, in the tags, and within the report description. Locating definitions is similar to locating specifications. Hover over definitions and then click on Browse Definitions to list every definition in SHSU's definition bank. These will be listed in alphabetical order. You are given an additional option when browsing definitions, Browse by Name Only. If you choose this option, you will only see the names of the terms listed in alphabetical order. These can be sorted by modified or created dates. These can also be filtered by functional area. To go back to viewing the full content of the definitions, click on Full Content under the Display menu. To search for a definition, you can use the search box within the Browse Definitions tab. You can also use the Quick Definition Lookup box on the top right-hand side of the screen. If I type in student, it will first pull up matches for terms with student in the title. Then it will list terms with student as a synonym, and finally terms with student in the body of the definition. By default, the search will include community terms. These are terms outside of the SHSU community. Uncheck this box to include only data definitions and variables that we have entered into Data Cookbook. Now that you know how to locate specifications and definitions, let's go back to a specification and take a deeper look. The two tabs to pay attention to are the Overview tab and the Definitions tab. The Overview tab tells you the purpose of the report, gives a detailed description of the report, tells you who owns the report, and gives you access details. The description of the report basically walks you through the report, telling you which prompts are required, which prompts are optional, and which output variables the report will produce. The Definitions tab lists each variable. If you click the variable name, you will see the definition and any technical definitions for that variable. You can run a report directly from Data Cookbook. Just look for the link under the Access Details section. As you can see from the text below the link, only authorized users will be able to access the report. This is where the owner information becomes important. The department that owns the report is the department that will be able to grant access to the report. For instance, the General Student Report is owned by the Registrar's Office, so you will need to contact that department to gain permission to access the report. Clicking the link under the Access Details section will take you to the folder in Cognos where the report is located. When you have security access to a folder, all of the reports in that folder are visible. To obtain security access to a folder, contact the department indicated as the report owner. Click on the Run with Options icon for the report you would like to run. This will be the blue arrow under the Actions menu on the right side of the page. Select how you want to run and receive the report. Click the drop-down Format menu. The specification type in Data Cookbook will tell you the recommended format, which is usually Excel 2007. Other options include HTML and PDF. Next, choose a delivery option. The recommended method is to send the report to yourself by email. The report will take less time to run, and you will have a copy of the report in case you need it later. Make sure the checkbox for Prompt for Values is selected. This tells Cognos to take you to the report's prompt page. Click the Run button to open the prompt page. You can now make your selections and run the report. Another feature of Data Cookbook is the Community feature. This is where other organizations and institutions share definition and specification information. Hover over Community and then click on Organizations. This shows a list of participating organizations. Currently, you can find definitions for IPEDS and for the Texas Higher Education Coordinating Board. If you have browsed and searched all available Cognos reports and have not found any that meet your needs, you can request a report from our department. At the top of any page within Data Cookbook, you will see a link that says IE Report Request. Clicking the link will take you to our work order system. If you need additional assistance with Data Cookbook, we will be happy to help. If you would like for us to give an in-person presentation, or if you would like to set up a Data Cookbook workshop for your department, please send us an email. Thank you for watching.